Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to brighten and energize the skin with just few steps. I'm going to start with vitamin C cleanser from Vie de Mer. Why do I like so much vitamin C milky cleanser from Vie de Mer? It's a pure product. It's cold press. It's silky. It's smooth. It contains vitamin C to energize and to lighten the complexion. You have aloe vera to heal the skin, and beta-carotene for rejuvenation and for fine lines. After the milky cleanser from Vie de Mer, we're going to use the toner. It's the second step, very important to prepare the skin to receive the serum and the cream afterwards. So, why do I like it so much? Because it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, purified sea water. You know how much I love the purified seawater? Because it really is antibacterial for any type of skin. The next step, it's application of the serum. In this case, I'm going to apply Brightening Touch from Future Cosmetics. I love this serum. First of all, key ingredients, you cannot go wrong. Licorice, anti-inflammatory. Centella asiatica for healing purpose. Hydrolyte silk to protect the surface of the skin. In this regimen, I'm keeping it very simple, somebody who wants just like simple routine. I'm going to include on top the cream Iso-Placenta, one of favorite creams of BR, Centella asiatica in the cream. Healing purpose. Yeast extract, I love, purifying and clearing the complexion. And oligopeptides to rejuvenate the skin. So all this simple skincare routine, what does it do? It just brightens, rejuvenates, heals the skin, because any imperfection, you need healing ingredients. If you want a more complex regimen, call it a routine, I add a few more products into my skincare routine. I can never go anywhere or leave the house without Environ Defense Cream Plus mixed together with C-Quence Serum number 4 plus vitamin A, vitamin E daily. So I mix 2 pumps of the serum with 1 pump of the defense cream. And this is after the water-based serums that I do. Before the cream, I mix them on the palm of my hand. And oh boy, I love how brightened my skin feels. And now I'm going to add only at night fruit acid cream full of alpha hydroxy, grape extract, sugar cane, natural moisturizing factor. I'm going to add that at night instead of any other night cream. Fruit acid cream on top. Do this regimen for a month and you will see how bright your skin is. Iso-Placenta I use during the day, and I would use fruit acid cream during the night. So it's all about healing. It's all about regeneration. It's all about protecting the surface of the skin and energizing the skin. That's why my skin glows like this. Do you want yours too?